Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your dataset, headers, consistent formats, and the exact range you'll inspect. Once done, select the range or the whole sheet so formulas target the right cells. Next, apply a quick filter from the data menu to expose blanks immediately. You do this now to save time. Filtering prevents accidental edits and helps you focus. Make sure formats aren't mixed. Numbers stored as text hide from some functions, so normalize types before running searches or formulas. Now you apply formulas to locate missing values and understand why they're missing. Start with isBlank for a single cell test, then wrap it in array formula to mark entire columns. This gives a visible true/false map. Use countBlank to get a quick summary count of empty cells in a range, which guides prioritization. If you need a list, filter with criteria equals empty string produces rows you can inspect or export. Make sure to check for spaces or formulas, returning empty strings as false negatives. Finish by filling and validating. Use if and ifer with VLOOKUP or index/match to auto-populate missing related fields. Then validate inputs with data validation rules to prevent recurrence. Choose reject input when accuracy matters. Once populated, normalize entries using trim and clean to remove stray spaces or invisible characters that masquerade as blanks. If results look wrong, check for formulas returning empty strings and evaluate cell formats. One common fix is converting text numbers to numeric values using value or paste special values.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.